This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, I did a video about a week and a half ago about the NWBO lawsuit against Citadel. NWBO was suing Citadel for spoofing their stock and causing their stock price to drop. And of course, Citadel attorneys put a motion to dismiss, but the judge ruled that part of the lawsuit still needed to be litigated, and this would cause the lawsuit to go into the discovery phase. And I told you guys that if it goes to discovery, it is going to be very good for the lawsuit that I have filed. It's going to be very good for other lawsuits that I know are coming against Citadel and the other bad actors that have been taking advantage of retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules, with the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI watching and doing absolutely nothing about it. Our only hope for any type of justice is in the civil courts, because the SEC obviously is not going to protect us, the DOJ is not going to protect us, the FBI is not going to protect us. But what's so interesting is this. Citadel called in the big guns, okay? With my lawsuit, when I got a reversal, when I got the court to reverse the lawsuit with Citadel, Citadel called in another 5 or 6 attorneys to protect their interests, because they knew that the lawsuit was going to another level, and they didn't want the small, I guess not as experienced attorneys on the case. And now with the NWBO case, Citadel is calling in the big dogs. Attorney Jonathan Youngwood has put in his notice of appearance, and this tells me that Citadel attorneys has told Citadel that we are gonna have to turn over the blue sheets. So they brought in the big guns to try to figure out a way not to turn them over. And here's the thing. If they get the blue sheets for NWBO, they can get the blue sheets for AMC, GME, MULN, MLTLP. You know why? Because it's going to show a modus operandi. It's going to show how they do business. So they're going to be able to argue to the courts that they need the blue sheets for all these stocks that are allegedly naked shorted. And if Citadel is shown to have done this to AMC, GME, MULN, MMTLP, it is going to be great for my lawsuit and for future lawsuits, and it's going to help prove NWBO's case that Citadel has been spoofing their stock and manipulating their stock price. And that's why I personally double down on NWBO. It is a YOLO play, because I believe that if they get discovery and they win this lawsuit, I believe the NWBO stock is going to go through the roof. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell NWBO. I am telling you that I believe that NWBO attorneys are going to get the trading history of NWBO, NEO, Lucid, AMC, GME, MMTLP, and it's going to send the whole system on edge, because this, I believe, is going to be the smoking gun that we need to prove what Citadel and the bad actors have been doing to retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules for the past 5 years. Citadel is already having liquidity issues. They already have to sell bonds, take out loans, sell part of the companies. Can you imagine if Citadel loses the NWO lawsuit and then loses my lawsuit? They will be done. They will be done. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that NWBO attorneys getting the trading history of NWBO, AMC, GME, MMTLP is going to be bad news for Citadel? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.